What? You think this is wrong? Pets fly cheap, and we could use the money we save to put towards our cell phone payments.
I'm a clairvoyant. By trade.
What would I know about cars and brakes? Why, I'm just a woman.
And I've had the ability since I was very, very young to channel certain people that cross over and return.
His shirt was kind of gay, but I liked it.
A baby is not always there for you as a fellow actor?
So for his birthday, I bought him a dream catcher. And about 2 weeks later, I bought him 2 large crystals to help clear out his aura.
I don't really want to talk about my husband.
Sorry.
How dare you imply I murdered my husband? Ah! Cocksucker!
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I think most people don't believe in
Well,
women being
most people ain't me.
Get the
Dad, what the fuck are you crazy? Fuck you!
Oh.
I can't love anyone.
What are you doing? Huh? You know, I think I'd say there's not a lot of room here.
Ah!